Did you know that the energy in your home directly impacts your ability to manifest your desires? It's true. The law of attraction teaches us that what we focus on, we attract, whether it's good or bad. But what if I told you that some items in your home could be blocking your manifestation power? In this video, we'll reveal 5 things you must eliminate from your house immediately to unlock the flow of abundance, positivity, and success. Stay tuned till the end and you'll learn how simple changes can transform your life. Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more life-changing tips. Clutter is one of the most common energy blockages in a home. When there's too much stuff lying around, whether it's piles of papers, unused furniture, or random knickknacks, it creates mental and emotional clutter. This chaos in your environment often mirrors chaos in your mind, making it harder to focus, feel at peace, or attract the things you want. A messy space can leave you feeling drained and stuck, like you're carrying the weight of all those items, even subconsciously. Clearing out unnecessary items can completely shift the energy in your home. It's not just about cleaning, it's about making space for new opportunities, fresh energy, and the things you truly need in your life. When you organize your space, you're also organizing your mind. The act of decluttering helps you release what no longer serves you, making room for abundance and positivity to flow in. Broken items in your home can carry a surprisingly heavy amount of negative energy. When something is broken, it often symbolizes things in your life that aren't functioning as they should. Whether it's a relationship, a job, or a personal goal. These broken pieces are constant reminders of things not working. It's as if you're living with the energy of failure or stagnation, and that energy can block your ability to manifest the life you want. Every time you see a broken item, your subconscious picks up on that energy. It keeps you in a state of lack rather than abundance. To shift the energy in your home, consider replacing or repairing these items. By fixing what's broken, you're signaling to the universe that you're open to receiving and that you're ready for things to start working smoothly in your life. Holding on to old, outdated, or unused items in your home creates stagnant energy. These things take up space, but they no longer serve a purpose or contribute to your current life. When you keep things that you don't use, it's like holding on to the past. This energy can prevent new opportunities and experiences from flowing into your life. It's as if your space is full of the past, making it harder for the future to enter. By letting go of things that no longer align with who you are or where you're headed, you create space for what you truly want. Holding on to items that no longer serve you can keep you stuck in old patterns, blocking your growth. When you make the decision to release them, you're actively inviting fresh energy and new possibilities into your life. Plants are often seen as symbols of life and growth, but when they're unhealthy or dying, they can carry negative energy. Plants with withered or browning leaves create an atmosphere of stagnation and decay, which can negatively impact the energy in your home. They symbolize things that are struggling or not flourishing, and this can block the flow of positive energy. Healthy, vibrant plants, on the other hand, invite positivity and vitality into your space. They're living symbols of growth, renewal, and abundance. Fresh, thriving plants have the power to uplift the atmosphere and attract good energy. If you have plants that are no longer thriving, it might be time to replace them with new ones that are full of life. This simple change can refresh the energy in your home, making room for new, positive vibes to enter. In the law of attraction, mirrors are powerful tools because they reflect and amplify the energy around them. However, mirrors facing the bed can disrupt the peaceful flow of energy in your bedroom. When a mirror faces your bed, it can reflect and magnify restlessness, causing disturbances in your sleep. This can lead to a restless mind, making it harder to manifest your desires because you're not getting the deep, restorative rest you need. Mirrors facing the bed can also pull in energy from outside your space, which can leave you feeling drained. To promote restful sleep and maintain a calm, positive energy in your bedroom, it's recommended to move mirrors or cover them at night. This simple adjustment can help restore balance in your space and create an environment conducive to peaceful sleep and powerful manifestations. So, to recap, the 5 things you need to eliminate from your home for better energy flow are: clutter, broken items, old or unused possessions, unhealthy plants, and mirrors facing your bed. Take action now. Clear out these energy blockages and watch how your space transforms into a magnet for positivity and abundance. Remember, the law of attraction works best when your environment aligns with your desires and energy. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who could benefit from these life-changing tips. Stay tuned for more ways to manifest your dreams into reality.